Could have sworn there was something there. No, who cares? Welcome back to Copper Top Productions. In this week's video, we're going to be going over something a little bit different today. Not going to be working on the E36, although that is kind of what I want to be doing. We're going to actually be going over this back wall section of the shed and talking about what the plans are for it. It sounds very vain when I say it like that, but when you actually hear the plans, it sounds a lot better. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so at the moment, the wall's kind of all over the place. We've got Dante's tank there, we've got crap everywhere, we've got engine, and we've got this lovely mess of tools and stuff. And we're going to remember this because this is kind of what we're aiming to solve in today's video. This steel here, this is all new, and if this doesn't tell you what we're kind of going to be doing here, then, well, I'll tell you. We are going to make a big stuff-off bench so that we can organise tools, car parts, and all kind of crap. At least we're going to start. Kind of want to get this done before I do anything more on the cars. Because I hate this mess here and it's kind of hard to clean it up the way it is. I've just kind of got tools scattered absolutely everywhere. So, we're going to get in and design a workbench. Figure out what I'm going to do with the steel that I bought in an impulse because I thought this is all I need and I was definitely wrong. And then we're going to figure out what other steel we need to get, drop a plan and start putting it into motion. Probably just going to draw this and then I'll show you it after. Alrighty, so let's get a gaze of the vision. You got a door here, nothing else here. Your blank canvas in my mind, alright? And then we put this there. This is the vision. So all jokes aside, after some thought, this is genuinely actually what I want to build to put there. It was really good to be able to put it down on paper and see how bad I fucked up buying the wrong steel. So what we're going to have here, as you can see, my primitive drawing, got a little toolbox on wheels under there. That'll hold all the gear, 1.5 meters long and 600 deep will be plenty for all my tools considering how they're being stored at the moment. Have a bit of a bench here in the middle section. It'll be about 2 meters wide that I can have a seat underneath and basically work at. I don't know what this section is going to be used for. Probably when I'm pulling about like a carby off of an old motorcycle or some crap like that. Can't have too much bench space. This section here, this is kind of going to be storage. Storage will make it look pretty. We'll put boxes in there and label them 33, 32, E36. Up here, probably just like things like that I think will look cool. And the idea with this is if I was to have the camera sitting there like that, that's the sort of perspective that I want to be giving you guys when I talk tool stuff or car stuff there. We might do something to the walls along the way, but that might be biting off more than we can chew at the moment. For now, we're going to focus on this. This is the design. Going to get some measurements going, and then we'll get an idea as to what we can do with this steel and what steel we're going to have to buy to make this go from paper to wall. Keen? Realistically, we're only going to go into the door, so we've only got this section to play with. There's a smack going on there. That's sick. Hold it now. Oh, yep. Fucked. That's as far as we can go. Alright. 3 meters to there. And from there to the end of the wall, and we'll give ourselves a little bit of leeway because we really don't want to take up this door space. 4.5 meters. So of that 4.5 meters, I reckon well, these sections I got here on impulse, these are 2 meters. So I reckon the first section we make can be the main center workspace. That bit right there. And that can be 2 meters because that means that I don't have to cut these because they're exactly 2 meters. 1500. We take that off the 4-point thing. That leaves us with 3 meters. So that end section is going to be 1 meter. So it'll be in line with that. The next one will go exactly 2 meters across here. That's where the center of the bench will be. So on this side will be the taller section for storage, and it'll be this wide. So that's a decent amount of shelves for storage, just for car parts and for whatever other crap. And then this side will be yay tall, with a shelf here for like displaying tail lights and crap. This section here will be for, I don't know if you can see that past the car or whatever, a toolbox of some kind. Because my dumbass didn't get a welder, an angle grinder, or the correct amount of steel, that's really all I can do. So in saying that, unfortunately that's going to be it for this week's video. Hope you guys have enjoyed my babbling and pointing at things that aren't there and visualizing and drawing crap that isn't there yet. But if you're keen to see this get built, well, subscribe and follow along, because regardless of how many attempts it takes, or how many piles of steel, or how many attempts at welding and or angle grinding or any of that bullshit, I'm gonna make this happen. Pretty bench there, it's gonna look great for filming, and it's gonna be really convenient working on fully sick cars. Hell yeah. Anyway, I'll leave it here for this week. Next week, we're gonna have an angle grinder and a welder, and we're gonna get right into this and at least get the framework for it up. Let's do it. Catch you guys in next week's video. Bye.